Meaning of Edwin Lutyens.
Edwin Lutyens.
Edwin Lutyens.
Edwin Lutyens.
Edwin Lutyens. Edwin Lutyens was a British architect who lived from 1869 to 1944. He is known for designing many important buildings in the early 20th century, including private homes, public buildings, and memorials. One of his most famous works is the Cenotaph in London, which is a monument to the dead of World War I. Lutyens worked in a variety of architectural styles but is perhaps best known for his use of classical forms and materials. Today, he is remembered as one of the most important British architects of the 20th century.